And this is why you can't get nothing done during the springtime around here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but we got a bee swarm coming in from one of my hives, landing right there on the grapevines. So we'll let them settle down and we'll come in here and get them. Hopefully. And we're going to let them settle down a little bit more. I got a good lid anyway. It always happens after a lot of rain. I don't know if you can hear them buzzing or not, but you can actually hear it over a lawnmower. That's no joke. So, we'll see what we got here in a minute. We'll look for the queen. If I don't find her, then oh well. I'm tired of keeping bees anyway. So, what I done was shook them on the ground. And I got an old hive right here with some drone comb on it. And more than likely, you'll see them start marching to the hive. Like they're doing now. Hopefully the queen follows them. Everybody says that a swarm is gentle, and they are to a certain extent. But I still put my jacket on today because I just didn't like getting stung messing with them. Like I said, I've been keeping bees for 10 years now and kind of over it. At one time we had hives everywhere around here. I think I've got 4 now that I never really messed with. But since the swarm's right here, I'll try to get them in a box. So, let's see what happens. They're marching down pretty good. I'm having to pause the video every now and then and pick something up. Fix and put a lid on it. Let them crawl in there. I'll let it sit here a couple hours. Then I'll stuff some red rags in the entrance. Keep them like that for about, I don't know, 48 hours. Let them get settled into their new home. And maybe we'll keep this hive around. Let my wife work it. Yeah. Queen may still be up there amongst the leaves. Let's give it a shake real quick. Hey, baby. Hello, girls. Going pretty good to that box though, so she may have already crawled up in there off the ground. I'll slide a lid on her in a second, and that's some old comb that we got, some empty frames. We'll see what we got in here in a minute. So I was trying to till the garden, hurried over the garden tiller, turn around and see this. So with all the rain, the storms, the hail, you can see the grass all in the garden, so I've got to get that done. We're expecting more rain tonight. And here I am, look like the puff marshmallow man. But again, I mean, I usually work my bees without a suit on, but I just don't feel like getting stung in the face today. Common sense wins again. So, hopefully we'll get this swarm, and we'll keep some videos on beekeeping if you want. Let me know. Till next time, bye.